Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very expensive makeup look. Today's video is all really high-end. Well, not really high-end, but you know, just they're makeup products that are much more on the pricier side of the store. You know how you go to Ulta and there's like the expensive and the non-expensive? Well, we are in the expensive category today. The expensive section, because Sephora, well, everything's expensive in Sephora, honestly. But today's video is one of those videos. And as you can see by the title of the video, yeah, I have a problem. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Makeup is expensive. But anyways, guys, if you want to go from looking like this, I mean, I don't look that bad. Don't look that bad. But if you want to go from looking like this to this, then just keep on watching. I'm going to take this little band. I promise I'm going to brush my hair later. I did brush it, but it got all messy. I like this band because I feel it takes my entire hair away from my face. But anyways, I think the only affordable product in this whole collection makeup stack here is this face oil from Milani. I'm going to put that on my face because I'm using a stick foundation today, and I usually like to use a face oil for that. So I'm gonna put some on. You know, just drop it, and then just rub my face with it. The first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes. I know I'm going for a very glam look. This eye look is actually inspired by a look I wore a couple nights ago. I went out first time in decades, and actually I've only been in life for like a decade. No, 2 decades. Yeah, oh my gosh. Anyways, I went out with my friends and I wore a makeup look, and I usually don't go anywhere. Like, I do my makeup and then all I do is take pictures, and then, you know, I stay home most of the time, 100% of the time. But you know, there's that rare moment when I decided to actually go somewhere, and I had fun, which is good. So anyways, I'm going to now take a little shadow shield, one of these. I got this from Morphe's website. Alright, so now that I have that on, the next thing I'm going to do is take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to, you know, prime my eyelids with that. So now going into the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, I'm just going to take the first shade, which is called Tempera, and I'm just going to set my eyeshadow with that. This one right here. Alright, so now the first shade I'm going to use, going to go into the shade Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. And I am just going to put that all over the crease. Pigment. Again, Rustic, which is this shade right here. I'm just going to put that really in the crease just to give it some definition. Alright, so next shade I'm going to take is Mulberry, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to put that in the outer corner, in the inner corner of my lid. And now taking Sienna, which is this shade right here, I'm just going to blend that in the center. No, just like, no, not in the center. How do I explain it? I'm just going to take it, and then I'm just going to put it in the outer and inner part, like right here. And taking a mixture of those two shades, I'm just gonna run that across, like right here, connecting them. Just like that. All right. So I'm gonna go do this eye real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right. So I went ahead and cut my crease, and I did do like a little thing in the crease. Like I don't know if you can see that right there. So now I'm gonna go in the shade Bronze, which is that shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over that place where I did cut the crease. Alright, so I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. I didn't notice that my phone stopped recording. All I did after I finished filling in the center with that gold shade, I just blended the edges so it didn't look so harsh. That's all I really did. I didn't add anything else. Alright, so now that that's done, I want to leave the crease part right here gold, but I want to go into the Anastasia glitter. Doesn't focus anymore. It is the Star Power Loose glitter, and I'm going to take some of their glitter adhesive, which is this one right here, and yeah, so let's do that. And I'm going to take some of this glitter adhesive, and I'm going to put that in the part where I want the glitter to stick. So I have that on. Now, this brush and coat it with the glitter. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. I did my eyeliner, and all I did was use the NYX Professional Makeup. That's the point. Liquid eyeliner, and then I went over it with the Noir eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow, and the Soft Glam palette, this one right here. And I just, you know, smoked it out, and now it's time to clean up this mess right here under eye, and I'm gonna move on to the face. I don't know, I feel like I cannot pull off a halo eye, and yet I insist I'm doing one. Like, I like how it looks, but I just feel like I can't pull it off. Like, guys. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do now is take my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I'm going to do this one right here, and I'm going to prime my face with that. So the next thing I'm going to do while I let that, you know, like sink into the face a little bit, I'm going to take my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I'm going to do my eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with foundation. The foundation I'll be using, it is the Hourglass Seamless Vanish Stick Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, and hopefully it all goes well. So I'm in the shade Sand. I'm probably not in that shade right now because, like, I feel like I've changed colors. Like, I don't know. Maybe. Alright, so far I'm liking how this foundation is looking with the primer and that Milani oil underneath. It's actually blended up pretty nice, and you know, I like it. Good. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face, which is the contour and concealer part. So for concealer, I'm going to do something. I'm going to go into my CoverFx contour kit in the shade N Medium. I'm going to take the first shade, which is this one, which has been used up the most. And I am going to take a brush, just this brush. I've been using this for concealer. And I'm just going to run that across. Just like that. And now I'm going to take some of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and put that on top. Now, I'm going to go in with this brush and go into the darkest shade, which is shade number 4, the contour shade. And I'm going to contour. Alright, so taking a little bit of my foundation stick, I'm just going to put this in the back of my hand, like right like that. No, and then coating my foundation, my sponge, I'm just going to blend this out. Alright, so I took the Pretty Vulgar setting powder, the Matte for Matte, and I put that in my T-zone, which is really like my forehead, my under eye, and like right here, just a little bit. And then I took the Becca Hydra-Mist Center Fresh powder, and I just put that everywhere else. Alright, so I went ahead and set the rest of my face using that Pretty Vulgar powder, because I don't know, as much as I want to like that Becca Hydra-Mist, I just feel like it's useless, it's pointless. I don't get it. I don't understand the hype about it. Well, the hype that was around it when it first released. But anywho, my clock is letting me know it's 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go into this right here, which is the Benefit Pretty in the USA. They have these. I like this, but I only use the Hoola bronzer. I haven't used any of the other things, to be honest. Ever. So I'm gonna bronze up the skin, and yes. For highlight, I'm going to take this cute little thing. I bought it during Christmas, like those ornament things, but this is the Becca Champagne Pop. I've never actually tried this. What? The That is amazing. Oh my god. I love this. Okay. Whee. So now for blush, I'm going to go into the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush. It's this one right here. Look at that. That's so pretty. I'm just going to... Alright, so going into the palette, I'm going to finish my lower lash line. Sorry I'm talking weird. I have lip scrub on my lips trying to exfoliate them. And it makes me want to talk weird for some reason. Alright. The first thing I'm going to do is apply a black eyeliner to my lower lash line. Waterline. I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to take the first shade, which was Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to run that across my lower lash line. Taking the next shade. I'm gonna run that across my lower lash line as well. And now into Sienna. And I'm going to take the deepest shade, the black shade, and just... So, the lower lash line is done. Woohoo! Okay, so now it is time for falsies. My least favorite part, but this look deserves some falsies. Let me set my face before I do my eyelashes. Alright, so I'm going to curl my eyelashes a little bit with my eyelash curler, and then I'm just going to give it like a coat with the Nars Climax. For eyelashes, I'm going to take the House of Lashes with the Sephora collection in the style Emilia. So the last thing is the lip, and we are going to go bold. I'm going to take the Kylie Jenner red lip liner in Red Velvet, and I'm going to line my lips with it. And then I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. This is a very, very, very glam makeup look. I really like how it turned out. This would be a nice Valentine's makeup look, but since Valentine's already passed, this could be, you know, a night out, date night kind of makeup look, and I really like it. I absolutely love this lipstick. Oh my gosh, these earrings. I love these earrings, and I really like this eye look. It was inspired by the makeup look I did on myself when I went out. It's not the exact look. I did use the same palette, but in that case I had a half cut crease. I didn't do a halo. This isn't really a halo eye, but you know, you get what I mean. So yeah guys, ignore these marks right here. When I touch like my neck or something, like just here, I get really red, like really red. Weird. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think of it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Let me know. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.